The Omaha man arrested as part of an investigation of sexual assault appeared in court for the first time earlier today. A judge formally charged Michael Hackenberg with one count of sexual assault of a child. His preliminary hearing for that case will be in August, and Hackenberg will be back in court this afternoon for a separate case. We learned his wedding photo tipped investigators off to get him charged with 7 counts of illegal gun possession. According to court documents, while Douglas County deputies were investigating the alleged sexual assault of a child this week, they came upon his wedding photo taken in 2017 where he and his groomsmen were holding guns. He's now facing another $100,000 bond for this case.